I'm Ryan Long with the Sue Long Realty Group at Keller Williams. The best part of waking up on a Saturday morning, rolling out of bed and coming down here to First Street for the Corvallis Farmers Market.
Today I think I have, roughly 65 vendors.
There's lots of good vendors. There's lots of berries and fruit and vegetables, flowers.
There's a half block north of us, a whole block behind us, and then another shorter block on Monroe Avenue.
We grow about 50 different varieties of flowers throughout the season, so any given time we always have a variety and something new.
We grow 300 varieties of certified organic vegetables.
How many people does it take behind the scenes to bring all of these beautiful vegetables and fruits to market?
It's a lot of people, so in peak season we'll have over 150 employees.
So you're the cultivator, the harvester,
I am the one-woman operation.
the head
That's all there is to it.
salesperson. Yeah.
Beans are an interesting thing too, because they're purple magic beans in there. More vigorous than the rest and at least as good flavor.
We've been doing the farmers markets for, going on 10, 15 years now.
20, 30 years.
This is our 19th season.
First summer actually selling honey.
We started last April.
Dennison Farms has been around since kind of near the beginning.
I think they were one of the original farms that helped kind of start the farmers market.
Are all these fruits and vegetables actually grown on the 40-acre farm?
Yep. Yeah.
Wow.
This farmers market requires that everything in your booth is grown by you.
Raising natural beef is more than just a business for us, it's kind of a mission. We believe in the concept. Our cattle are humanely raised. They're natural. There's a lot of demand for both of those things these days.
Give us like the Forrest Gump list of everything you can do with a pepper.
Hamburgers, tacos, salads, raw, plain, powders and sauces, hot sauces, and a couple of mild sauces.
That's a bit spicy.
Our teriyaki right here is fantastic. If you like teriyaki.
That's my favorite thing in the world, actually, is teriyaki. Teriyaki is my favorite thing in the world, so I am excited. That is wonderful. Wow. What is the best seller here?
Number one is chicharrón.
Hey, can I get one chicharrón? Is it chicharrón?
Chicharrón.
Chicharrón pupusa.
Pupusas are the typical food from El Salvador. And it's good for breakfast or dinner or lunch.
This is worth coming to the market just for this every Saturday.
These are just some carrot fries. I just use olive oil, our sweet, tasty carrots, and a little bit of salt and pepper.
Carrot fries. Never had them before, but I'll have them again. Those are great.
A donut, a chocolate one, cookie.
All of this honey is coming from those 7 hives?
Oh, sure. Any individual hive could produce as much as between 100 and 150 pounds in a single season.
That is juicy.
It's good.
That's delicious.
Yeah.
That's just like, grape juice that reminds you of growing up. So which farmer's market is your favorite? And it should probably be Corvallis.
It is Corvallis. Corvallis really has the core community feeling to me.
It's community, it's a community gathering place, it's entrepreneurship.
It's 100% grown in Paloma, 100% local.
Interacting with the public in a friendly environment.
Coming to the farmers market puts us face to face with our consumers. We get to talk to them, we get to know them. They're friends. Some of our customers have been with us since the first day we started here.
At its heart, it is about those local farmers who wouldn't have a place to be otherwise.